Hello, hi, welcome to my channel SNS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important MCQs on the topic RBI. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Here is our first question. On which commission's recommendations Reserve Bank of India was established? It was Hilton Commission. Who mints the coins in India? It is Ministry of Finance. Don't get confusion, friends. Coins are minted by the Ministry of Finance. Notes are issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Who was the first governor of RBI? He was Osman Smith. Here, James Taylor was the second governor of RBI. What is the full form of CRR? It is Cash Reserve Ratio. What does it mean? CRR is a percentage of money to be kept by all the banks with RBI in the form of cash. Where is the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India? It is in Mumbai. First, it was in Kolkata. In 1937, it was moved to Mumbai. In which year RBI was established? In the year 1935. Who was the first governor of Reserve Bank of India from Indian origin? He was C.D. Deshmukh. When was the second phase of nationalization done? It was on 15th April 1980. When was RBI Act come into force? It was in the year 1934. When was Indian Banking Act come into force? It was in the year 1949. When was Ombudsman scheme first introduced? It was in the month of June 1995. What is the period for call money is? It is 1 to 14 days. The tax levied by the central government and collected by the state government is stamp duty. Who introduced the Banking Ombudsman scheme? It was ARBI. Let's move on to the next question. Who regulates the money circulation in India? It is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The largest revenue in India is obtained from excise duty. ATMs that are owned and managed by non-banking entities are known as white label ATMs.
That's all for today, friends.
We will meet in another section. Until then, keep practicing, stay healthy, be positive. Don't forget to subscribe my channel SNS Academy.